Welcome to the Macro Conscious Kitchen, where we believe that healthy food can be just as exciting as it is delicious. Today, we are making an egg avocado sandwich that will knock your socks off. Well, maybe not your socks off, but it will definitely make your taste buds jump for joy. Start by adding some salt to a pot of boiling water. Once the water is boiling, add your eggs and let them cook for 10 minutes. While the eggs are cooking, did you know that eggs are a great source of high quality protein and contain all the essential amino acids that our body needs. They are also a great source of choline, which is important for brain health. But let's be real, the best part about eggs is that they are blank canvas that can be cooked in a variety of delicious ways. Once the eggs are done cooking, take them out of the water and let them cool. The yolk of an egg contains all the fat, while the egg whites contain all of the protein. So if you're trying to watch the fat intake, just eat the whites and call it a day. I am going to take 2 whole eggs and 2 egg whites for this recipe. Once they are cool, cut them into smaller pieces. Next, put avocado in the bowl. The avocado adds a creamy texture and a rich flavor to the sandwich. It is a great source of healthy fats which are essential for heart health and maintaining a healthy weight. It is also packed with vitamins and minerals like potassium, vitamin E, and vitamin K. And let us not forget about the creamy and dreamy texture of avocado. It's like nature's butter. Now add boiled eggs in the bowl. Now it's time to add in the sauces. We are using garlic mayo and mustard sauce, but feel free to use any other flavors you like. The garlic mayo adds a nice creamy texture and a hint of garlic, while the mustard sauce adds a tangy kick to the sandwich. Just like how a good song needs a good beat, a good sandwich needs a good sauce. Add salt according to taste and some crushed black pepper. Then add a pinch of chili flakes and oregano for that extra burst of flavor. Finally, add a little bit of finely chopped coriander and mix everything together. Spread the egg avocado mixture on your bread and serve as a sandwich with tomato ketchup. This sandwich is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. With 579 calories, 28 grams of protein, 47 grams of carbs, and 34 grams of fats, it makes for perfect and healthy breakfast or lunch option. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes that will make your taste buds dance. And remember, if life gives you avocados, make guacamole or an egg avocado sandwich. Either way, it's a win-win situation.